Hi, TR here. This video will help you successfully complete the assignment Test a Budgeting app. If we scroll down this content page, we'll see this assignment is about using your smartphone to help you track and manage your spending. Your task is to find, use, and evaluate a budgeting app with your smartphone. Step 1. Set a financial goal. Carefully read this information. Step 2. Choose a budgeting app. Now, we have a web page titled 16 Budgeting Apps for 2018 by Josh Smith. The link for it is here. Simply click on the link and you will see this web page talking about the 16 best budgeting apps. Going back to the content page, scrolling. Step 3. Use the app. Use the app over a period of a week to manage your finances and take notes on your experiences. Step 4, create your review. So there are, as you can see, 7 points or 7 sections that you need to deal with in regards to your review. You'll notice that I've created a link here for an excellent template. I'll just open this template up for you. And you can see that it gives you all the information organizationally that you need to complete this assignment. An excellent way to follow through with this. Back to the content page. Now, some of you may not use the template for whatever reason. If you do not use this template, be sure to copy and paste your questions followed by your answer. Space out the questions and answers so as not to clump, that is, submitting one paragraph with no spaces for seven separate items or topics together. Now, when you have completed this, you submit your assignment in the assignments. That's this link up here. When you open that link, you will go to the assignment submission folder, and in that window you will see a folder titled Test a Budgeting App. Before you submit, you want to take a look at this budgeting rubric, and I'm just going to open that up for you. Key points here. Now, if this doesn't open properly, this icon button down here titled Web Layout will create a full page window so that you can see all the information. The main criteria, you have 5 main criteria that you need to look at, because that's what I'll be looking at when I mark. Have you made highly relevant personal connections? Have you analyzed and evaluated the topic with great insight? And have you organized and communicated your ideas effectively with no spelling and grammar errors, considering the form, purpose, and your audience? Go back to our main page. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to use your private discussions, and only your private discussions, to contact me. Thank you and have a great day. Bye now.